Boy, that was exhausting, wasn't it? What's the baby gonna do now? Hey, what are we gonna do, Boo Boo? I'll make chicken later? Gesundheit. I have to brush you. I have to get you used to brushing. What is the baby? You gotta take a little rest before you get the thing. Look at this baby. Look at this cat. Look at the coat, the sheen. Look how beautiful this is. Boo Boo. Come back. I will let her have her privacy though. She goes into the bathroom. Litter box is behind the sink. Behind the Mr. Bubble. It's somewhere in there. I'm zooming in. She has very far to go. I mean, not very far to go. Look at this Boo Boo. I have to give you eardrops. That's what I keep trying to tell you. You start freaking out with the eardrops, it's just gonna get worse. Don't turn your back to me. I'm trying to give you medicine. You don't be all standoffish. Don't go licking yourself. Licking yourself like that. You come complaining to me about your ears. I try to give you eardrops. You're just a pussycat. You were just ignoring me. Well, well, well. I could definitely send this into the home video thing. This is just too freaking funny. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. And get her later.